Alright, so hadn't done anything for a while on YouTube, so I thought I'd go ahead and say, as you've seen here, see if I can do this. Basically, this is just the overflow from the tanks. Comes out here. This valve will always probably remain closed, but if I ever want to drain the tanks, I just went ahead and drained it and tied it into the outgoing line. And what we got going up here is, this is the overflow. No need to put a valve there, and then it drops into here, and of course it goes out. And then here is an interesting thing. This is going to be a valve, and then I'm actually going to put this piece right here will be clear. And if you look, I actually used a sweep. So the water is going to come in here, and any heavy stuff will then feed into here. So this will be like the first sediment catcher of the rainwater, because of course roof tiles and stuff like that will actually break down, and you want to be able to see that. So I'm going to put a clear piece of PVC right there, and ultimately I can valve off to the tanks and then run straight out. So if I want to come in from there and then valve that off, I can come down and open this valve, and then I can run right back out. So I can completely isolate the rain barrels by doing that loop. Ultimately I haven't tied in here, so that's the first catch. Clear pipe, of course, to see the sediment. When it fills up, I can drain it. This will come over here, and of course it'll tie in. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow, so this line will come across that wall and come out, and then there'll be a barrel. I'm going to raise it up. I haven't decided what I'm going to put it on. I'm actually probably going to put it on got an old here it is right here. It's an old TV stand, so I'm probably going to stick it over there in the corner right here. It'll fit. And then there's the manifold. That actually is going to go up on the wall above it. And that's where I'll have the street coming on one side, pumps coming on the other, and then I'll have the pump will actually sit one of those cans are sitting. But here we are. Just work in progress, doing my thing. Of course I went to Lowe's, more toys, yay. And the pipe's outside, so I've probably got about another, I don't know, about 120 feet, so probably won't use it all, but went ahead and got extra just in case. Never can have enough toys. So anyway, I'll be putting more stuff up, and it looks kind of cool. So we're going to go through the wall probably tomorrow. I'm going to drill a hole there, and I'll move all that crap out of my way, and then drill through the bottom there, so that'll tie back into the out. So we'll have rain coming in by Wednesday, it looks like. So hopefully we'll get these tanks rocking and rolling, at least seeing them fill up, and still working on the pump. And looks like right now I'm looking anywhere from about $239 to there's a guy that wants me to buy some $700 pump. It's ridiculous. So I'm probably going to hit middle of the road. Wayne pump seems to be the deal, and it's going to fit in nicely there. That'll have like a little compression tank, so that'll maintain 62 psi or something like that. And then the pump, of course, will be cast iron. So if you're going to buy a pump, it's definitely the way to go. Anyway, I'll stop rambling, and there you go. Just having fun. I did actually decide on this right here. I was going to come out here and put a little gravity feed and try to, milk the tanks. And I got to thinking about it. It's like, the disaster if it really downpours and I start filling these tanks at a massive amount. Will this 2-inch line maintain it? So what I did is I actually gave it, I don't know if you can see that bubble. Yeah, you can see it. I did actually give it a little bit of a grade coming out of the tank. And this is actually level here. If I had a level, I'd put it on there, but I don't. But that pipe coming across is level. I hate that it's blocking this area, because I really would like to be able to get back in there. But, hey, what are you going to do, right? So I guess I could come out and drop down and tie in here to this, this right here, but then I'd get in the way of the pump. And I really want to be able to get into there. So that's just how it worked out, unfortunately. But hey, it is what it is. Anyway, I'll put up some more stuff, and hopefully this pile of toys will go lower soon. Hopefully sooner than later. I'm going to be working on it tonight, actually, and tomorrow, and then I'm off Monday. So I'm going to probably try to finish it up before that. So I can get these things filling these tanks, get 1,100 gallons in here hopefully by Wednesday, and watch these puppies roll. So pump won't probably be here for another week or two. Still working it out as to which one I want to go with, but looks kind of cool. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.